there's a 21st question from Digital SAT Test 2 Module 2. This is from the Bluebook app, the easier set of reading and writing questions. It is asking about the conventions of standard English. Always look at your answer choices first. You see apostrophe with some answer choices for peoples and some without, some for stories, some without. You got to ask yourself two questions. Does something belong to the people? If it is, it's going to be A or D. Does something belong to the story? If something does belong to the story, it's going to be B or D. Read the sentence. Literary agents estimate that more than half of all nonfiction books credited to celebrities or other public figures are in fact written by ghostwriters, professional authors who are paid to write other people's stories but whose name never appears on a book. Something belongs to the people? Yes, the story belongs to the people. So it cannot be answer choice B or C. Does something belong to the stories? Nothing belongs to stories, so it's going to be A. See the following video. Check out the videos above this on the same playlist. IB Masters Learning Center, and have a great day.